Hello everyone and welcome back to Katrina's Kitchen. Today we will be making okra and rice. Let's get started. You will need 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons grated garlic, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 5 pimento peppers sliced, half cup of chopped onions, and you're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. When you have finished sauteing it, you are now going to add 3 cups of sliced okras. Now we are going to add 3 cups of sliced okras. Let this cook for around 5 minutes again. We are now going to add 2 cups of washed, drained, parboiled rice. So you're going to stir your pot. Make sure that you taste to ensure that there's enough salt. Once that is done, you're going to put your pot on low heat. Cover it and let your rice with your coconut milk and your okra steam down until all the liquid is absorbed and your rice is tender. So okay guys, this is now our okra and rice. Then remove it from the stove and you can basically serve. Enjoy.